Hey everyone, today I want to review my Ninja AF101 air fryer. This is a purchase I've been wanting to make a long time to make healthier foods for my family, but that's still great tasting. And I just wanted to go through kind of all the features that I've come to learn about this machine and why I love it so much. So first, just kind of go through all the button options that we have here. You have easy temperature selection buttons on the left. You can select time on the right, and you have a few different modes that you can use. So what I usually do mostly is air fry. You can also reheat foods after, let's say, a night of making homemade French fries. They get soggy in the fridge. It's a great way to crisp those up, and I've already done that a few times, and it actually works amazing. You can also use the air fryer as a conventional oven with the roast feature. I think they just recommend using a lower temperature if you use that feature than you normally would use on your oven, like 25 to 50 degrees less. You have a dehydrate option as well to make things like dehydrated banana chips or other features. To be honest with you, I have not used that yet. It has some basic guidelines on the side here. And what I really love actually is the different guides that come with the book, and with the air fryer. I'll go through this at the end to show you kind of what the inside looks like. It has a really wide basket, as you can see here. This little plate is what they call the crisper plate. Easily take it out one-handed. It has these rubber grips on either side. Remove it for easy cleaning, but they recommend you use this for all your air frying because it allows for uniform heating. And so that just goes right back in as so. Really easy to put in, really easy to clean. See, it just slides back in just like this. Nice and easy. Let's see if I can show you what the top looks like. So here's your heating source there. Go ahead and start it up as well, just so you can see these features. Usually what I'll do is I'll preheat my air fryer for 3 minutes. So if you press, you can lower the time, or you can press and hold for quicker. It goes down to 1, I go to 3, I hit start. You'll hear a beep that it starts. And I believe another beep sometimes indicates that it's at temperature. So we might hear that in a second here as well. But in the interest of time, I'll just go ahead and pause it. Easy to pause. Start back up again. If you want to increase the time, you can just do so while you're cooking. And I'll go ahead and restart once it reaches temperature. As you hear there, that's that second beep. Stop it, turn it off. Really sleek, really nice and easy to store in the side of your kitchen. I can push it back here in my corner. It's kind of loud, sorry. And then like I said, it has this easy quick start guide that comes with different recipes, different recommendations for air frying times. I've used some of these recipes already and I really like it. Actually, that's the one I used the other day. Zucchini sticks. It was delicious and healthy. So in all, I highly recommend this air fryer. It's the AF101 air fryer. Really good for a family of 4, which is what I have. And honestly, no complaints so far. I love it.